Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix photo can't be posted error on Instagram. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to restart your phone once and then check if the issue is fixed. For that, click the volume up plus power button and then select restart or swipe to restart. Whatever the option you get, you simply have to first restart your phone, and after that launch the app and check if you can upload the photo. If not, next is to force stop the app. For that, click and hold the app icon over here. Now click on app info, click on force stop, and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to clear cache of the app. For that, click on storage and storage option, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, go back and again launch the app and check if the problem is fixed. If not, you should check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, then you can use go for Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if everything is working fine. If the issue still continues, you should check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Instagram, and here you should check if the app needs any kind of update. If there is any update available, update your app to the latest version, and after that try to launch it and check if the error is fixed or not. If not, you should check the photo format and size. Whatever the photo you are uploading to Instagram, you should check it. Make sure the photo is in PNG format or JPG format and smaller in size, and after that try to upload the photo once again and check if the problem is fixed. Next is to log out and log in again. So for that, go to Instagram app, click on three line, and after that go below, and here you can find logout option. Simply click on logout, log in back to the Instagram app once again and then check if the problem is fixed. But if the issue still continues, then you should take help from the support team. So for that, go to Instagram app, click on three dot icon, after that go below. Now here you have to click on help. Now after that click on report a problem, click on report problem, and after that here you have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across. And after you have explained whatever the issue, if you have a screenshot, you can attach it, and after that click on send option. Once you have done this, wait for some time and check if the support team responds to your explanation that you have sent. So hopefully the support team will try to resolve it and you can again upload your photo to Instagram app. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.